One of the best parts of having a sister is an unending supply of dresses, especially a sister that is fashion forward. Our last born, her own is to buy cloth and drop it, and buy cloth and drop it. I just saw this nice dress. I said, oh, I want to see dress when I go use stay for house now. So, as the elder sister that I am, and first girl, I woke up very early this morning and realized that there is no food. So I can't go back to sleep. Rice is getting done. So let me crochet while I wait and sing Igbo songs. Lemanya, lemanya na mkpụrụobi, atụkwasara m gobi, Chineke. This hair, I made it myself yesterday. Hair is made for the week, for the next 2 weeks. £50 served. Atụkwasara m gobi, oge niile, atụkwasara m gobi, atụkwasara m gobi, Chineke, atụkwasara m gobi, oge niile, atụkwasara m gobi, atụkwasara m gobi, Chineke, atụkwasara m gobi, oge niile. So this is that scarf I started last week, Sunday last week. It's not a scarf, it's a baby blanket actually. I should be doing 30 minutes of crochet every day, but it's not been the easiest to achieve. So if I'm not able to do 30 minutes today, I have to do an hour tomorrow. And if I'm not able to do an hour, 30 minutes. So that's my way of making sure that I have activities built into my day to prevent myself from getting bored or getting idle. Like I said, I learned from Opus Dei that rest doesn't have to be constantly sleeping. You can actually create things, restful activities. So I love to crochet. It's part of my hobbies. This is a baby blanket for a friend who had a baby. So which other hymn should we sing? Which other Igbo song? You see this song called Jigidem. I like that song. I learned it as a child. I don't know why. I just like that feeling of being held in God's hands. So, Jigidem, Onyewem Jesus, Jigidem, Jigidem, oh, Jigidem, Onyewem Jesus, Jigidem, Osage. So it means hold me, Lord. Onyewem, my Lord, my owner. Hold me, Lord, my owner, my Lord. Hold me, Lord. Osogi kem gaba. Your race is what I'm running. Merigi kam ge meriowa. I will overcome the world through you. Nye mike, give me strength. Oge nine, oge, my name. Every hour. Kamarida, give me strength every hour so I don't fall. So that is Jigidem. Which other hymn can we go through now? I love Igbo songs. I love them. I love culture. I love my language because I believe that that is who I am. And I think for me, I believe that Igbo songs, for me, I believe I worship an Igbo God. And I believe my songs go to God in every language, but when I'm in my language, I love it. Hey, there's this song. Hey, God, what's this song now? Okay, it's not really a hymn. It's all these songs we learned in choir when we were in UNEC, it has oge in it again. So by now we know that oge means time. And it goes, so oge rugo means the time has come. Time. Always remember time. When you hear oge, think of me. Time. Oge rugo, omona zukotanu niru altar, which is people, congregation, come in front of the altar. Oge rugo, kanyise uwere. The time has come. Let us kneel. Osebuluwa Chuku onye nenyudo. Osebuluwa is Lord. Now, Igbo language is very diverse. And it's interesting because I grew up in Aba. We learned Central Igbo. I don't know who made it Central, but it's good that we have a kind of unified dialect that we learn in school. So, it's called Central Igbo or Igbo Nzube. Now, different areas have different dialects. And because Igbo land, the states that were created at first were Imo, where I'm from, and Anambra. So those two states tend to have a dominant dialect spoken in Igbo land. But when you go to other parts, especially towards the north of Igbo land, Enugu, they have distinct dialects. And I think Enugu has the most distinct dialect because Ngwo, which is at the hilltop where Enugu came from, or Enugu was developed from, has its own dialects, developed and different from Balablu. Very different. So, this Enugu accent is, I think, Anambra, I think they're the ones that say Oseblowa. And I think Oseblowa is actually Delta Igbo, if I'm right, because some people say some parts of Delta, some parts are kind of have a culture that's similar to Benin, the former Benin kingdom. So it's so interesting. I love culture is so dynamic, and I hope that our generation will embrace our culture and teach our children. I tell people English is the language of the English people. English is England's own language. So when somebody is carrying shoulder and say, I speak English, you cannot speak, and they're laughing at you, I say, I speak my language. I speak my language. And this is something I had to learn as I matured, because my mom, being an English graduate, didn't want us to speak Igbo. It's something of that happened in the 90s, late 80s, 90s, maybe because our parents were part of the colony, in quotes. They believed that they were part of the colony. So people thought that English was the way for you to make it. But thank God for people like Bright Chimeze that said English, because of English, they used to flog us in primary school for speaking vernacular. You had to speak English. And the one that pains me most is French classes. We'll be having classes, French classes, and they say you must communicate in French. So that class used to be the most quiet, but nobody placed emphasis on our own languages. And what hurts me is that I heard that Igbo language is about to disappear. It's about to get extinct. What are we doing about it? What are we doing about it? We need to speak the language for the language to be alive. We need to write the language in books, poetry, organize events. And these are the things that my friends and I are hoping that we'll be able to do stuff. An Igbo Christmas, keep our language alive. Talking about an Igbo Christmas. Hey God, what's this which particular So Igbo Christmas songs will be coming from myself and my team. And please do engage with my Igbo health education videos. It's also my way of preserving our culture and giving names to things in Igbo. Thank you. SopranoDoctor here.